Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have sausage bow ties. All right, what you want to do is 1 pound of Italian sausage, brown it on up in a pot, kettle, whatever the hell, and once it's brown, get it out, and we'll be moving on to the next step. All right, as you can see, I've gotten the sausage out of there. We're kind of getting up all those little bits left over with roughly about a half a cup of chopped onion and about a tablespoon and a half of butter, because butter makes everything better. Oh, also there's about a teaspoon and a half of minced garlic in this as well. So you just want to sweat that off a little bit. Alrighty, and then once they're kind of, about halfway done cooking, add about a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And then give that a stir. Okay, then you want to add 2 15-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce. Really up to you. Then you also want to add salt and pepper to taste, a pinch of sugar, and a quarter teaspoon of basil. And then just give all that a quick little stir and give it a couple of minutes to incorporate. And then you want to add 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Again, stir it around. And then you want to simmer it for at least 6 to 8 minutes, but you can certainly go longer than that. By the way, you should have a pot of water boiling for your bow tie pasta. So again, stir this around, let it simmer at least 6 to 8 minutes. Again, this is a pretty quick dish, so it's perfect for like a busy weeknight. Okay, and at some point during these 6 to 8 minutes, about the halfway point, get the sausage back into the sauce and stir it around, let it incorporate, all that fun stuff. Don't worry if a little sausage grease gets in there. It's fine. It's good for you. Okay, now that our sauce is simmered, time to add the bow tie pasta. So that's 1 pound of bow tie pasta. Again, whatever the package says for the minimum cooking time for al dente, make sure to take a minute off. You could even probably take 90 seconds because I am going to let this kind of sit in the sauce for at least a minute. Now, this last little bit is optional, but I decided, I like basil. So that's about a tablespoon of freshly chopped basil, and I keep forgetting that I'm getting in the way of the fucking camera. Little more pepper, little more salt. Again, do this to taste. I'm a pepper junkie, so I use a lot of it. And then just give it a minute to incorporate. And that's really it. Serve it up in a bowl. So that's sausage bow ties. Done.